only Avengers-styled makeup, exactly like the one our friend has on. I can't make up my mind on what makeup to choose for the movie premiere. At last, I decide to try on a Captain America image. I will try to replicate his signature print on my lips. Make vertical arches with white lip liner. Draw a circle in the center and a star. Shade the side strip and the star with white. Apply a bright red matte liquid lipstick to a thin brush and cover the corners with it and the center. Cover the remaining center circle with blue face paint. Leave the star white. This superhero makeup will attract so much attention that I will be the star of the movie premiere. Or maybe I should try something different. For example, draw Iron Man on my lips. Make a sketch of Iron Man's mask on your lips with a white lip pencil. Draw a semicircle on your upper lip. Add 2 eyes and corners. Define a border on your lower lip. Apply red lipstick using a brush. Cover the middle with golden face paint. Define the details with black eyeshadow using a thin brush. Make a strip at the bottom. Outline the eyes and define the color borders. The superhero lip makeup is ready. Our friend looks fabulous. Iron Man shines brightly on her lips. Now it's clear what her superpower is. It's the power to attract attention. Who will be lucky enough to get this superhero kiss? Our EOS lip balms haven't impressed. Her lip makeup certainly looks way more spectacular. But we decide to teach this Popinjay a lesson. We will test Thor's hammer on her. I pretend that my nail is broken, and Redhead hands me over a divine relic right away. Cut an octagon from silver air dry clay. It should fit the size of your nail polish. Make a deepening in the middle for the vial. Prepare one more identical detail. Put the vial into the clay and attach both parts. Smooth the seams. Draw the pattern on the hammer with an awl. Use an empty marker barrel of an appropriate size to make a handle. Cover it with brown acrylic paint. Decorate it with silver ribbon. Attach a silver rope loop. Put the handle on the nail polish cap. As the legend says, Thor's hammer is extremely heavy. I pretend I can't move it for an inch. Then my friend comes to deal with it. She gets ready for the divine fight for a long time. At last, she grabs Thor's hammer and falls, because the nail polish is not that heavy. Caught you! But she is not mad at us. Instead, she offers us her golden lipstick. Even Wonder Woman might want this lipstick. Mix the remains of lip balm with some beeswax. Add shea butter, sea buckthorn oil, castor oil, yellow liquid food coloring, golden dry food coloring, and edible glitter. Melt the mixture in a microwave and pour it into an empty lip balm tube. Put it in a cold place. Take the hardened lipstick out of the lip balm tube and put it into a golden tube of used lipstick. Make a slanted cut. Cover the lipstick top with glue and decorate it with golden glitter. All eyes will be for sure on the girls wearing the awesome lipstick. You can put it on your lips or define your cheekbones instead of highlighter and make warrior makeup of a superhero. Say what you will, but the beauty is our superpower. Did you like our superhero-styled makeup? Then write in your comments how you get ready for a movie premiere. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new super ideas on the Troom Troom channel.